Rubber gets old, and this job is it just like flexes and moves all day. Every time you get on and off the accelerator, this thing gets pumped up and down. All right, we got a 2019 Volvo XC60 with a 4-cylinder in it. It's got a horrible noise. I couldn't even talk over it with the microphone, so I just took the oil cap off. I'm gonna put the oil cap back on, and I'm gonna demonstrate the noise. Woo! Listen to that. Sounds horrible. Take the oil cap off, the noise is gone. So, what's wrong with it? It's the positive crankcase ventilation valve, it's bad, and the little rubber diaphragm is squeaking inside. Often confused with a belt squealing. So this is not a belt that's squealing, a timing belt or an accessory belt or an alternator belt or an accessory belt tensioner or a bearing or any of that. It's just a positive crankcase vent valve. I just removed the oil separator PCV valve assembly. This is kind of like a one-time fit. That's why I had to pry it off and break it. But just to show you guys here, you know that little rubber diaphragm that I was talking about, that was squeaking? Here it is. So it's literally just whistling through this diaphragm that's torn. And just that little tear right there. You can see just the rubber just like old. I mean, look at how easy it just kind of comes apart. The whole thing's just like tearing, right? It just comes as a whole new unit. So you unbolt it off the top of the valve cover and you bolt this whole new guy on. This is the oil fill cap right here, right? So this is what I was taking on and off, changing the frequency of positive crankcase ventilation through the engine, and that's what was changing the valve squealing or not. So this is the reason also why the check engine light was on. Remember that number yesterday on the scan tool, it was plus 46%. It is adding 46% of fuel. That is because that little diaphragm is ripped open and it's directly connected to the intake manifold. The check engine light's on, making a belt squealing noise, but it's not a belt. It is a PCV valve.